Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of EDTU Scoop. Today, we are celebrating Science Day on 28th of February. On this occasion, we have our Dean Sir from the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. So let's discuss with him about this today's event. So sir, tell me about what exactly today we are organizing.
Yeah, actually, the whole idea of this event today is to get students, especially the young people from schools, motivated and encouraged to explore possibilities in science. So for that, we had planned out a line of activities. So right now, you see in the background, you see the paintings. This is actually, we had a painting competition online on two different themes related to science. And we got participation from all over India actually, because we had it online. So we are displaying the paintings here. And at the same time, we have an exhibition of science projects. So projects have come in from different schools and also our own, prototypes that we had developed here in our university. Those are also on display, so that the students can get to know how systems work, very basic systems, how they work. So idea is to get them attracted to science and technology and come up with innovations. So that's practically the plan. And a little while ago, we had a couple of lectures. One physical interaction with a scientist from Germany, and we had an interaction with an Assamese astro scientist from France, Priyanka. So that was just completed, and we had a beautiful interaction with the students. And after this, we are planning to have an award function for 8 rural innovators. Basically, people who have developed systems for the villagers, so make their life better. So after this, we are calling that as a Rural Innovation Award. So that will be followed. After this particular event of the exhibition, we'll be going for that one.
Yes, sir. It's really amazing. We're taking such a good initiative. So I just wonder, do you have any message for upcoming students who want to take up a career in science or in technology? So any message for them?
Yes. So the message goes like this: that science is for everybody. Science is the exploration of something that is not known. And a very small incident, even the blooming of a flower, there's so much of science involved in it. So my message to you young people is that science is something that has to be explored. Don't think that science is for big universities or big labs, nothing like that. And if you think back, all our Indian scientists who got Nobel Prize, they actually had done the experiments in very small setups in their own homes, small labs. So my suggestion, those who are interested in science, start exploring, start asking questions, start finding out the answers. And there's tremendous opportunities for all of you. And please visit Assam Downtown University. We are always ready to help you out with your science queries.
আজিৰ আমাৰ যিখন নেশ্যনেল ছায়েন্স ডে চেলিব্ৰেশ্যন এইখন প্ৰায় একমাহমানৰ আগৰ পৰা আমাৰ প্ৰিপাৰেশ্যনটো আৰম্ভ হৈছিলে গতিকে দ্য প্ৰিপাৰেশ্যন দ্য আইডিয়া ৱাজ বিহাইণ্ড that students which are the young minds of this nation, or especially in Assam, if we can do something to inculcate some of the scientific way of thinking into their minds by celebrating something so that it is interesting for them, as well as we also come to see what kind of state the students are right now. So আমি আজি যেটো দেখিলো প্ৰথম বেলা যিখিনি দুজন স্পিকাৰৰ গেষ্ট লেকচাৰৰ যিকিটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম হৈ গ'ল তাত যিজন স্পিকাৰে শেষত ক'লে যে the way to discover in science really lies in the questioning, or how you formulate the question, hey approach to. And then rightly after that, we saw that many students, they came up with a lot of their innovative and very fundamental questions. So this proves that this has already been there in the Assamese society or Ahomer সমাজখনত এতিয়াও আমাৰ যিখিনি ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আছে তেওঁলোকৰ মাজত এতিয়াও ঠিক ফাণ্ডামেণ্টেল কুৱেশ্যন অনেক আছে যিবোৰৰ আনচাৰ হয়তো ষ্টিল উই আৰ অলছ' ফাইণ্ডিং গতিকে দিছ ইজ একচুৱেলি এ পজিটিভ চিনেৰিঅ' অৰ পজিটিভ চিন মই ক'ব পাৰোঁ
What was his discovery? To have made a decisive contribution to fight against blood-borne hepatitis, a major global health problem that caused cirrhosis and liver cancer in people around the world. Named the three scientists that won Nobel Prize.
Hello viewers, the quiz competition is over and we have our winners out here. So yeah, tell me your name.
Sankalpa Mahanta.
Elvina Ahmed.
Your name?
Sajal Saroj Lahakar.
Okay, that's nice. So guys, tell me like which standard are you guys in?
Seventh.
Okay. So tell me your experience. Like how was your day? Like since you guys are the winners, like everyone must be appreciating you guys.
It was awesome.
Okay.
It was incredible, really.
Okay.
Really, really awesome.
Cool.